Hi, I'm Tzen Wei. I'm 23 years old this year and I'm a Team SG swimmer. I learned to swim at around the age of 3 and I went into competitive swimming at the age of 6. So in a day, if I have training, it will usually start at 6:30, end at 8, and then on days that we have gym is from 9 to 10, and then we rest, have lunch in between, and afternoon training is from 3:30 to 5:30. Every day it's quite tiring to get out of bed at 6 AM and I make a lot of sacrifices. For example, like I don't go out on weekends late, and sometimes when I don't perform well it's a bit disappointing and I feel like giving up, but I always try to push on because I know like I have something that can take me far in life and I want to pursue it. Personally, I'm a very outdoor person and I really like sports. So I enjoy to cycle because I have very good memories with my father, because in the past he used to take me to cycle around 40 km on Saturdays in the mornings just for cross training. So for this SEA Games, my mindset was that I want to just give it my all, try my best, and whatever the outcome, I'll just be happy with it. So when I was walking to the starting line, I was trying to enjoy every moment that I could. Because not every day you have the chance to race against the greatest sportsman in Singapore, an Olympic champion. So after I came back from the 2019 SEA Games, I was contacted by a man. He called me and told me that he was inspired by my journey to become a champion because it relates to how he as an entrepreneur has to also have determination, hard work and perseverance to do what he does. A few weeks later, he contacted me once again and told me that he designed a bike that symbolized champions because he was inspired by my journey to win the 2019 SEA Games. The bike is called Go. To be a champion, you have to believe in yourself when nobody does. Thank you, Mobot.